In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Wi-Fi auto disconnect issue on your Infinix phone. Now, this is not really an issue. Your phone has just observed how much you use your Wi-Fi, so it checks the time when you don't usually use your Wi-Fi network and it deactivates it for you so that it's going to save battery. So your phone doesn't have any issue unless maybe this is not the fix. Okay, so to get started, you want to head over to settings. And then scroll down to battery and power saving, tap battery saver, and down here you can see this option, intelligent network disconnection. So if yours is activated, you just need to deactivate it. And whenever you're not using your phone, especially at night, your Wi-Fi will not be disconnected, so that if you are downloading things online and you want to just leave them to download overnight, they'll do that without any issues. Okay, so hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.